In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export and print the Gantt in Monday.com. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open the Gantt view. This is a vital step, so make sure you're navigating to the specific board that holds your project. Once you're on that board, look for the Gantt tab at the top and click on it. You'll notice right away that this view gives you a vibrant timeline of your project. Next, let's adjust your display. This is important because the level of detail you want in your export can vary. If you want a detailed view, keep the left-hand panel expanded. This way, your task names will be included in the PDF you're about to generate. However, if you prefer a high-level overview, you can collapse that left panel. This will showcase just the visual timeline without the clutter of the task list. Now that your display is set, it's time to access the export options. For this, you should look toward the top right corner of the Gantt view. There, you'll find the export icon, which usually looks like an arrow pointing into a box, or you might see a three-dot menu labeled with ellipses. Click on either of these options to proceed to the export settings. After clicking, you should see an option that says Export to PDF. Select that option and be patient for just a moment as Monday.com prepares the snapshot of your Gantt chart. Once it's ready, the file will automatically start to download to your computer. Now that you have your PDF file downloaded, it's time to open and print it. You can do this by either using your web browser or a dedicated PDF reader, whichever you prefer. Once you have the file open in front of you, it's time to get it ready for printing. Simply use the standard print command to kick this off. If you're using a Windows computer, that's going to be Control-P. For Mac users, it's Command-P. This command will bring up your print settings. Now this is where you might want to adjust your printer settings to ensure everything looks just right. You can change the orientation from portrait to landscape if needed, or set the page range if you're only interested in printing specific sections of your Gantt. Once you're satisfied with those settings, just hit the print button. And that's it. You've successfully exported and printed your Gantt chart from Monday.com. For anyone who's looking to showcase their project timelines effectively, this quick guide will get you set up in no time. Remember, using the Gantt view not only helps in visualization, but also ensures that your printed documentation is clear and professional. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a like if you found this video helpful.